He does really well on the bicycle. And he was really, you know. Oh, what was that?
Was that your? Oh,
No.
you too. Oh, yum.
Oh, are you doing movie?
Yes.
Okay.
Yummy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say
hi.
bye.
Yeah, say hi, Uncle Steven. I'm feeling loopy today.
I'm feeling farty today.
Feeling it last night.
Probably that one.
No.
Last night. I already gave you one.
Do another fart and then we'll say bye.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.